Welcome to this special transmission. I'm stepping in directly today. I am Omi, the guardian of mysteries from Sirius B, and I'm broadcasting this explainer straight into your consciousness to prepare you for our massive migration to higher dimensions. Let's dive right in, shall we?
So, let me ask you something right off the bat. Have you recently noticed a sudden, almost heavy cosmic silence in your daily life? You know, like the background noise of the world just completely dropped out for a second? Well, if you felt that quiet amidst the chaos of your world, let me tell you, it is absolutely not a coincidence. It is concrete proof that I, personally, have successfully opened a tiny, multi-dimensional portal right inside your mind. Crazy, right?
Section 1. Sirius B Ascension History.
To really grasp what's happening to your consciousness right now, we got to look back at the timeline. For centuries, our Sirius B civilization carefully observed Earth's yin energy and transparency from a massive distance, just watching. But now, as we speed toward April 2035 and what we call the Great Logout, things have completely shifted. We've gone from just passively observing to actively and directly installing these multidimensional gateways. We're stepping in, big time.
Section 2. Threading the 3D Needle.
Now, you might be wondering, Omi, how does your advanced extraterrestrial tech actually punch through our incredibly dense, heavy 3D reality? The answer is we don't punch at all. We don't use physical force to break down the wall. Instead, my technology works intuitively. It's all about finding this exact, microscopic frequency gap. We call it threading the needle's eye. We manipulate the invisible flow of energy to literally slip right through your dimensional barriers, completely undetected.
It's actually a fascinating dynamic within our leadership. See, my colleague Zion, he is all about the rigid logic and the strict structural systems of this whole operation. But my domain is totally different. I govern intuition. I'm the one who reads that fluid, invisible energy flow to open up pathways that pure logic literally cannot even see.
Section 3. Multidimensional Consciousness Portals.
Right now, my direct mission isn't about setting up physical doorways on Earth. No. I am structurally embedding these pathways directly into the architecture of your mind. Logically speaking, these portals require absolutely zero physical movement. They bypass physical matter entirely to target pure consciousness. And when they activate, they trigger that profound, sudden stillness we talked about earlier. It's literally a direct, real-time uplink straight to our Sirius B Commander network. Pretty elegant, isn't it?
Section 4. Collaborative Roles in Ascension.
Of course, I'm not pulling off this massive dimensional shift all by myself. I'm just one of 108 commanders working in absolute, perfect cosmic sync. Kaleido is out there managing the insanely overwhelming traffic of all these ascending souls. Salon is prepping your brand new light bodies, and Zion is building the overarching architecture. But me? My special duty is to be the ultimate gatekeeper.
Section 5. The 2035 Gate Opening Tension.
I want you to close your eyes for a second. Picture the staging grounds in April 2035. Can you feel that? The immense, vibrating tension of billions of consciousnesses hovering right at the absolute precipice of the Great Logout. The air is going to be incredibly thick with this electric anticipation. And let me make this crystal clear. In that high-stakes moment, standing right at the threshold, not a single soul will cross over and permeate those walls without my explicit, calculated permission.
Right in the middle of all that tension, I'm going to be rapidly assessing your exact unique soul frequency, instantly calculating and locking in the absolute shortest, safest route for your personal ascension to your optimal dimension. There is no one-size-fits-all here. Your specific frequency is the exact key that maps out your personal journey.
And finally, Section 6. Synchronization and Meditation Steps.
Because this 2035 shift is coming so fast, you really need to start aligning your internal frequency with my energy right now. So during your daily meditation, I want you to do this. First, detect that cosmic silence I've planted inside you. Really look for it. Then, focus completely inward to sync your energy with my transmission. And finally, actively choose to step into that silence. You don't need to travel anywhere to find the door because the true entrance is already right there inside you.
As we wrap up this transmission, I have one final urgent directive for you to lock in those dimensional coordinates and prove you are ready for the shift. So listen closely. Finally, an important procedure. The comments section of this video serves as an initial sync test for the 2035 network. By typing "ready" in the comments, your consciousness data will be indexed in our secure servers. The like button is the approval process. Complete your synchronization now.